Welcome to Dynatech Systems e-commerce connector, designed to streamline your operations and enhance customer satisfaction. The order management system provides quick access to customer contact details, billing and shipping addresses, and contact preferences. The Customer 360 view offers a full picture of each customer, enabling personalized experiences and better service. All saved addresses, past orders, and invoices are easily accessible in one place, along with current gift certificates. Customers can also raise queries, which are tracked under the Cases tab for efficient resolution. Our e-commerce connector centralizes order tracking and reporting, ensuring a seamless flow of data between your systems and eliminating the need for manual entry. Whether orders are placed on Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, or directly through the Power System, all details are instantly synchronized into Dynamics 365. With just one click, you can view and manage all active contacts, filling in details like names, emails, preferences, and addresses with ease. For instance, a customer places an order on Shopify. The integration with Shopify ensures that all order details, delivery method, pricing, and order information are instantly captured in Dynamics 365, eliminating any discrepancies. Payments and terms and conditions are automatically reflected in the CRM system, as well as the invoices, ensuring consistency across orders. Our e-commerce connector also integrates orders, invoices, and payments. This ensures accurate financial reporting and seamless reconciliation, reducing errors and streamlining operations. With one click, the user can download a detailed invoice showing everything from item breakdowns to payment summaries. The same information is reflected in Shopify, ensuring consistency between your platforms. Once a coupon is created, a unique coupon code is auto-generated. You can customize the coupon by adding a description, setting usage limits, and defining its validity period. Additionally, you can specify a minimum sales order and choose the discount type, whether it's a fixed amount, percentage, free shipping, or a special offer. The special discount type allows for promotions like buy X, get Y free, or discounts on specific products. When applying the coupon code in a sales order, users can easily view details such as the total discount, freight charges, and total tax applied. Our connector also helps manage gift vouchers. The user can view gift voucher numbers, buyer details, sales orders, available balance, and filter logs directly in the tool. Synchronize products, pricing, and promotions across all your sales channels, whether it's Shopify, Magento, or your physical storefront. Simply add product ID and all supporting descriptions like closure type, color, fit, length, and so on. Ensure all these elements are aligned for a seamless omni-channel experience. For managing returns, users can track all return details such as discounts, taxes, postage, and reasons for return in Dynamics 365, making returns transparent and easy to handle. Our e-commerce connector seamlessly integrates with major shipping providers like UPS and FedEx to enable users to automate shipping processes, track deliveries in real time, and ensure smooth logistics management from order placement to final delivery. Manage suppliers by adding all information of supplier against the product. This information is synced with Shopify, and as per the changes in the supplies, the availability information will also change. With our unified dashboard, you get a comprehensive real-time overview of your business operations. From month-wise revenue insights to detailed order summaries, the dashboard provides clear, actionable data at your fingertips. You can easily track performance across all sales channels, monitor inventory, and manage promotions in one place. Moreover, our product tab allows you to view and manage crucial product details, like product IDs, warranties, stock levels, and more, ensuring seamless synchronization across your e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Magento. Ready to enhance your operations? Get started today at dynatechconsultancy.com.